Hello everyone, once again I welcome you in my YouTube channel New Height Solution Point. Today we are going to discuss the topic of class 10th. The topic is magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So let's start. Here's the question number 1. The question is, what is magnetic field? Answer: the region around the bar magnet within its magnetic force can be experienced by a magnetic material known as magnetic field. Let's get with the help of diagram. As you can see, there's a bar magnet and the particular region, it is known as magnetic field. As you can see, one block is placed there. It is a magnetic material. This magnetic material is experience some kind of force which is shown with the help of arrow. So the region is known as magnetic field. I think you are clear with this. The next question is, what are the magnetic field lines? The answer is, magnetic field lines are imaginary lines which start from the north pole of the magnet and go to the south pole of the magnet. You have to remember it. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन स्टार्ट कहाँ से होती है? नॉर्थ पोल से जाती कहाँ पर है? साउथ पोल पर. अब इसे ऑब्जर्व कैसे किया जाता है? सो वी हैव रिटन हियर टू ऑब्जर्व द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. आयरन फीलिंग्स आर स्प्रिंकल्ड around the bar magnet. The feelings arrange themselves in the form of fine lines from north to south. As you can see, there is a diagram of bar magnet, north and south pole. Now the green line are shown here that those are representing the magnetic field lines which are starting from the north and going to the south. Okay, as you can see, two lines upside, two lines downside, and so many lines can be started from the north and so many lines can go to the south also. See, this is a diagram of bar magnet along with magnetic field lines. So in this diagram, iron fillings are sprinkled around the bar magnet and the iron fillings have arranged themselves in the form of fine lines. You can see so many lines are starting from the north and so many lines are converging to the south. Very fine lines are there. So this experiment or this diagram confirms us that the magnetic field lines exist. Let's go for the next question. The question is, write the characteristics of magnetic field lines. The first point says the magnetic field lines always start from the north pole of the magnet and go to the south pole of the magnet outside, and from south pole to the north pole inside the magnet. Hence it forms a closed curve. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये बताना चाह रहा है कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस बाहर आउटसाइड जो है नॉर्थ से साउथ चलती हैं और इनसाइड बार मैग्नेट के अंदर साउथ टू नॉर्थ चलती है. इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस एक क्लोज्ड कर्व बनाती हैं. अभी क्लोज्ड कर्व कैसा होता है इसके लिए हम डिस्कस करेंगे. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज अ बार मैग्नेट. इट हैज़ टू पोल, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. Now the magnetic field lines outside north to south and south to north. In this way, we observe that there is a complete curved without any break in the line. This is known as closed curve. The second point is the magnetic field line is a vector quantity and the direction is given by drawing a tangent to the curved line. Now let's see कि tangent कैसे draw करना है. और ये वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है, वी ऑलरेडी नो, बट हाउ टू ड्रॉ द टेंजेंट. लेट्स सी. दिस इज अ बार मैग्नेट. इट हैज़ टू पोल, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड कर्व. वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन इट. नाउ वी हैव टू सी द टेंजेंट, हाउ टू ड्रॉ द टेंजेंट लाइन. द थ्री टेंजेंट लाइन आई हैव टेकन randomly. The tangent is starting from a point. Those points are also shown. At this point the direction is given by the arrow. The next point is two magnetic field lines never intersect each other because they are vector quantity. They have a unit direction at each point. Now suppose if they intersect, so there will be two direction for the point, which is not possible. अगर इंटरसेक्ट करती है तो दो डायरेक्शन होगी जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है. Now suppose there are two magnetic field lines. If they intersect each other, अगर वो एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर देती है किसी पॉइंट पर, तो यू कैन सी उस पॉइंट पर दो डायरेक्शन पॉसिबल होगी. उस पॉइंट पर दो डायरेक्शन होगी जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है. दैट्स वाई दे कैन नॉट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर? The answer is, when current passes through any conductor, it is known as straight current carrying conductor. The flow of current produces magnetic field around the conductor. तो आपको ये याद रखना है कि जब भी करंट पास होता है किसी कंडक्टर से तो उसके चारों तरफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में देखेंगे कि किस तरह से वो प्रोड्यूस होता है, कैसे डायरेक्शन देते हैं. वन मोर पॉइंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर. The magnetic field lines are produced in the form of circular rings. The shape is form of circular rings. Now see the next question. How to give the direction of magnetic field associated with a current carrying conductor. अब एक और क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. State the right hand thumb rule to identify the direction of magnetic field. The answer is, if a current carrying conductor is imagined to be held in a right hand such that it is the thumb placed in the direction of current, then the tips of the curled finger encircling the conductor will give the direction of magnetic field lines. If the thumb in upward direction, the magnetic field lines are anti-clockwise, and if the thumb points in downward direction, the magnetic field lines are clockwise. Once again, if the thumb points in upward direction, so magnetic field lines are anti-clockwise. If the thumb points in downward direction, so magnetic field lines are clockwise. With the help of diagram, let's see how it works. See student, according to the rule, the thumb points the direction of current. The thumb is pointing downside. It means the current is in downward direction. And you know magnetic field lines are in the form of circular rings. But here the direction is clockwise. Magnetic field की direction कैसी है? Clockwise direction है. Direction clockwise है. The meaning of anti-clockwise is in the opposite to the direction of motion of hands of clock. Clockwise means in the direction of motion of hands of clock, और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में मोशन, उससे हम कहेंगे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. नाउ सी वन मोर डायग्राम. इन दिस डायग्राम द सर्किट डायग्राम इज गिवन. द करंट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन x to y, and you can see the magnetic field lines are produced on one square shaped diagram. So the direction is clockwise. The point P, near the point P one arrow is shown. The arrow is in the direction of motion of hands of clock. So direction यहाँ पे clockwise हो गई. अगर करंट ऊपर की तरफ होता तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हो जाती. You can see here the direction of current is in upward direction, and the magnetic field lines are again in the form of circular rings, but the arrow is in anti-clockwise directions. For upward motion of current, anti-clockwise direction. See the last question. Write the factors on which the strength of magnetic field depends for a given current carrying conductor. हमको बताना है कि जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है उसकी स्ट्रेंथ किन फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करती है. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को सबसे पहले हम डिनोट करेंगे लेटर बी से, और इसके लिए दो फैक्टर हैं. द फर्स्ट वन, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. इट इज़ मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ करंट. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डिपेंड करता है करंट पर, Second, it is inversely proportional to the radius of magnetic field lines or the distance of point of observation. There are 2 points only, you must remember it. First point के लिए लिखना है B proportional to I. B proportional I, it is written here in letters. And for second point you will write B proportional 1 upon R. 1 upon में होता है तो उसे inversely proportional कहते हैं. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest upcoming topics. Thank you. Have a great day.